Hi everyone, welcome to Cobalt Crochet Tutorials. Today we're going to learn how to make the front post double crochet stitch. Alright, let's get started. I'm using a size J 6mm crochet hook and category 4 worsted weight yarn. You'll want to already know how to make a slip knot, how to make the chain stitch, and how to double crochet. If you don't know how to make any of those, head on over to my channel, Cobalt Crochet Tutorials, and I have videos on how to make all of those. Okay, so first start with the slip knot and slide it onto your hook. And I'm going to be chaining 5 for this video, but you can start by chaining any length you want. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, now I am going to chain 2 for my turning chain, and then I'm going to work 1 double crochet in the 3rd chain from my hook. So this V right here is my first chain, this is my 2nd chain, and this is my 3rd. So I'm just going to work 1 double crochet into that 3rd chain. Now I'm going to work 1 double crochet in each chain until the end of the row. So working 1 double crochet stitch in each chain across. Alright, last one. Okay, so now I've made my first row, and this is basically just a foundation row of double crochets. So we'll be using this base row of double crochets to work our front post stitches into. Alright, so now to start our next row, we're going to chain 2 and turn our work. So to front post double crochet, you aren't going to be working in the top V's of the stitches like normal. If you can see these V's all across the row. You aren't going to be working under those, which is what you usually do for crocheting. We're going to be actually working around each of these columns. So I'll show you what that will look like. So to make a front post double crochet, I'm going to start by yarning over like normal. And then in this column right here, which is the double crochet, the last double crochet from the last row, I am going to insert my hook behind the back of it and go through. So I'll show you that again. And this column right here of all these double crochets, they're called the posts, which is where we get front post double crochet. So I am working just right behind this whole double crochet stitch. So after I yarn over, just insert your hook behind that front double, that post of that double crochet. Now I'm going to yarn over and pull through the back of that post. Now to complete my stitch, I'm going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. So now I've made 1 front post double crochet. Okay, let's make another one. So I'm going to find my next double crochet stitch, not working at the top, working around this column right here, which is called the post. And I yarn over, insert my hook behind it, and just go through the back. Now yarn over, pull through the back, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So now I've made 2 front post double crochet stitches. Alright, let's make one more. Yarn over, insert your hook in the back of that double crochet post, yarn over, pull through the back, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. And that is it to front post double crochet. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day!